everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block unknown callers on iPhone. If you want to avoid unwanted calls on your iPhone, keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. From your iPhone, open up your Settings app. From the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find the Phone app. Tap it on in order to end up in this page. Scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see a button that says Silence Unknown Callers. Give it a tap, and on the next page, make sure that the button right next to Silence Unknown Callers is enabled and turned green. Soon after you do that, if you receive a call from an unknown number, then call will be sent to voicemail and will be displayed on the recent list, but you'll be able to silence them whenever they make a phone call to you. Before you turn on the Silence Unknown Callers function, make sure you have important contacts saved on your mobile device if you don't want to miss a phone call that you don't want to miss. That is how you can easily silence an unknown caller if they ever try to make a phone call to you on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.